Hey bestie, before you scroll, I need you to hear this. Did you know that the average person's hair grows only about half an inch per month? At that rate, achieving the long, thick, healthy hair of your dreams could take years. But what if the reason your hair isn't growing has nothing to do with luck? Maybe you have been told it's genetics. Maybe your parents struggle with slow hair growth and now you are seeing the same thing. Why genetics can also play a role is not the whole story. Your diet, daily habits, and even the product you use could be silently sabotaging your hair growth right now. Nutrient deficiencies, excessive heat styling, harsh chemicals, and poor scalp care can all prevent your hair from reaching its full potential. That's why today I'm sharing my powerful overnight hair growth spray that helps transform both my hair journey and my mom's hair journey. This simple DIY spray supports healthier looking hair, fuller volume, and a nourished scalp using natural ingredients you may already have at home. Trust me, you'll want to watch this before spending another dollar on expensive product that doesn't deliver the results. Let's get into it. So to make this hairspray, you will need rosemary leaves. Either you've used fresh or you use dried one. But on this video, I'm using the dried one. Next ingredient is our bay leaves. Next is sunflower seeds, cloves, and mint leaves. These ingredients are packed with nutrients that support a healthy scalp and stronger looking hair. Feel free to research each ingredient and discover their individual benefits. Now, if these ingredients alone weren't impressive enough, combining them creates a powerful hair care spray that can become a great addition to your hair care routine. Let's start preparing it. We'll be needing a very clean dried pot. Then first we add our cloves. Cloves are one of my favorite ingredients when it comes to natural hair care. They are packed with antioxidants that help protect the scalp from environmental damage and oxidative stress. Cloves also help improve blood circulation to the scalp, which allows hair follicles to receive more nutrients and oxygen. Next ingredient is our bay leaves. Bay leaves are often overlooked, but they are loaded with vitamins and minerals that nourish both the scalp and hair. They contain vitamins A, C, and B. Vitamins that help support stronger and healthier looking hair. Moving to our next ingredients, we have our sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds are rich in vitamin E, one of the most important nutrients for scalp health. Vitamin E helps improve circulation and supports a healthy environment for follicles. Sunflower seeds also contain healthy fats, zinc, selenium, and other nutrients that help nourish the scalp and support stronger hair strands. Moving to our next ingredient, we have our almighty rosemary. Rosemary is one of the most popular natural ingredients used in hair care, and for good reason. It is known for supporting scalp health and improving blood flow to the hair follicles. Many people love rosemary because it helps create the ideal environment for healthy hair growth. Finally, we are adding our mint leaves. Mint leaves bring a refreshing, cooling sensation to the scalp that feels amazing. They can help soothe itchy scalp, reduce scalp irritation, and provide a clean, refreshed feeling after application. Mint also helps remove excessive build-up from the scalp, creating a healthier environment for your hair follicles. Now, imagine combining all of these powerful ingredients into one spray. You get antioxidants from the cloves, nourishment from the bay leaves, vitamins from the sunflower seeds, scalp support from the rosemary, and the refreshing benefits of mint leaves, all working together to help you maintain a healthy, fuller looking hair and a well-nourished scalp. Once all the ingredients are in the pot, add 3 cups of water. Stir everything very well and place it on a low heat to simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes so all the goodness from the ingredients can infuse into the water. After cooking, remove it from the heat and let it cook completely. While it's cooling, if you are enjoying this video, please support your girl by subscribing to the channel, turning on your post notifications, and sharing this video with someone who is struggling with slow hair growth. Your support means everything to me, and it helps me continue creating valuable content for you. Once the mixture has cooled, strain it thoroughly and transfer it into a clean spray bottle. And there you have it, your homemade overnight powerful hair growth spray. One thing I absolutely love about this hairspray is the mint. If you struggle with dandruff, scalp itchiness, or scalp discomfort, this ingredient makes the spray feel incredibly refreshing. Use it, spray directly onto your scalp and hair. Massage gently for a few minutes and leave it overnight. Consistency is key, so use it regularly as part of your hair care routine. Remember, healthy hair growth is a journey, not a race. Be patient, stay consistent, and take care of your scalp. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs it. Your baby girl loves you. I'm rooting for your hair goals, and I will see you in my next one. Love you and stay blessed. Bye.